It's a beautiful day in the city. Luna is watering her plants, traffic is moving, and birds are chirping. What's this? Oh no, those cars are robbing the bank!
This is so easy. We have to get out of here. Go, go, go!
The robbers are getting away! Who shall stop them? Supercar! Go, Supercar! You can stop them!
You're not getting away, bad guys. I got one, but the other one is getting away. Oh no! I need to get over this bridge and I'm free with all this gold.
You're welcome.
Destroying the city. I think it's a job, Bo. Supercar. Dun, dun, dun. How could we stop him? Oh, I know. Shot! I'll get you! I got you, dinosaur! We did it! We stopped the dinosaur! Let's go on our next adventure! Where did that weird thingy just go? Where did you go, robot thingy? On the left side? Maybe on the right side? There you are! What do you want? Oh no! person needs our help. It looks like it's job for Supercar! Da-da-da! Where is she? Oh, there she is. Angry Birds, I will need a quick favor.
Whoa! Whoa, that was crazy! Wow!
Where did the key go?
Oh, there it is.
I will take these eggs. I took your eggs. No! Where are the eggs? What's going on? No, we did eggs! Ah!
Oh, hello, it's me, Trucky the Truck. Today I have a cool job to do. I will need to build a house. I don't know where to start, but we'll see how we'll do. Ah! Whoa! That was so fun. Let's go to the construction site. Oh! We just arrived at the construction site. How should I do this? I think I need help from Chappie the Muffin.
Hey, it's me, Chappie the Muffin. What's the problem, Trucky?
There are a lot of shapes here and I don't know what to do.
It's not that hard, Trucky.
Okay, I'm listening.
These shapes have numbers on them. For example, look at the brown shape. It has the number 1 on it, so it's gonna come first. The blue shape's gonna be the second one. The red shape is gonna be the third one. And the white shape's gonna be the last one. So you put them all together and you build a house.
Yes, I understand what you mean, Chappie. Thank you. Let's do this. So we'll start with the shape that has the number 1 on it. Which one was it? Yes, exactly, the brown shape. After the first one comes the second shape. Which one was it? Yes, exactly, the blue shape. So the third shape should be red. Which one was it? Exactly, the red shape, which has the number 3 on it. Let's do the last shape, which is white. We finished the house, we're done. Woo! Take it from here, Lego man.
Okay, Trucky.
Thanks, Lego man.
No problem, Trucky.